Hi Daddy Mummies, welcome to my lovely baby channel. I'm 𝗂𝗲. So before we start, remember to subscribe, like and share our channel. So what are we gonna do today? Ta-da! We received one Chicco One4Ever, the new launch stroller. So we are going to do an unboxing today. There's 2 seats and 1 free. Hey. Hey. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Ta-da! Ta-da! Ooh. Best I think this one is for the newborn punya seat. And then this one is the 6 months until 22 kg with a canopy. Ta-da! Chicco One4Ever 2-ways compact stroller. So in this box, it comes with a frame, a seat, second seat, canopy, and rain cover with a manual book also. So let's see. So the first seat is suitable for newborn until 22 kg. Come with this very comfortable cushion, leatherette bumper bar, can detach, and adjustable leg rest. The canopy is extendable also. So extendable canopy, reclinable. So you can adjust the recline for newborn to sleep. And this handlebar is adjustable. So the most important thing is the 2-way facing. Ta-da! So you can look at your baby while strolling. So let's see. The second seat, it comes with the extra canopy. And for this seat, it's suitable for 6 months until 22 kg. It's around 5 years old. Let's attach. Ta-da! The second seat. So it's also extendable canopy. And then it's suitable for 6 months until 22 kg, around 5 years old. This is a water-resistant material, so very easy to clean. And then this bumper bar and leg rest is detachable, so you can change wherever you want. Also, after you change to this second seat, it's lagi ringan. It's lighter already, okay? And then it comes with a 4-wheel suspension, okay? And then let's see how to fold this stroller. So we need to press the button, fold up the seat first, and press 2 buttons together, push down. Again. So first we press the button and fold up the seat first. And then press this both button and push it down. Ta-da! Freestanding auto-fold stroller. So here's the end of our unboxing for this new launch Chicco One4Ever stroller. Do remember to subscribe, like and share our channel. And thanks for watching. Bye!